In this course, you can discover Procreate, the amazing drawing and painting app, using a practical approach by working on real art projects. Welcome, my name is Thomas. I've been using Procreate for years now and I like it a lot. It's one of the best tools on the iPad for creating any kind of artworks, sketches, illustrations, digital paintings, or other design materials. And with the new version 5 came out at the beginning of 2020 with many great new features, Procreate is getting even more popular. It's easy to lost in its features, so I designed this course to learn the most frequently used features first, as quickly as possible. By taking this course, you will be ready to use Procreate and get a fairly deep understanding of its capabilities in a very short time. You are going to feel yourself confident in the software and be able to use it creatively. In this course, you will learn how to install Procreate on your iPad, how to use the Procreate user interface, how to customize the app for best productivity, gestures you can use to speed up your art creation workflow, how to use brushes, layers, masks, how to create animation, and many more. You are an ideal student for this course if you are new to Procreate. There is no need for previous experience in art. If you'd like to learn Procreate using a project-based approach rather than a dry and sometimes boring user guide style, enroll this course now. Or watch the free preview videos in case you'd like to explore further. I hope that I can see you in my new Procreate 5 course as a student.